Sandy Hook has been awesome, and Kevin was very patient, communicating since back in March, waiting for me to get back and forth to him. Purchased a dock for my boat down in Florida to be able to use it in both locations, and we were finally able to close the deal. The Regal's been awesome. I've had the Regal since 2019 in the LS6. We love the seat locations, the power, the cut in the hull, which makes it jump out of the water a lot faster. The only thing was the stern drive, and that's why we decided to go to the outboard. But again, the LX6 has almost the same seating and size. It feels on the interior as the 26-footer, which made it an easier transfer for us. Kevin and Craig have been awesome. Like I said, the deal's been going back and forth for a while. Finally able to get it all squared away and everything in. I'm very excited to be able to use my boat in both locations and not have to winterize it anymore. But we love the Regal and love being on it all the time.